All right. We are back. Look here, we got the Mifo. Remember that brand? I've done a review for a Mifo product before, and it was actually pretty awesome. But this time we got the Mifo F2s in the house. All right, so long playtime, Bluetooth stereo headphone, up to 50 hours of long playtime. Dang, that is a long time. 50 hours? That's a while. 40 millimeter subwoofers, blah, 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 blah. Charge time about 1 to 2 hours. Standby time, 10 days. Talk time and play time, 50 hours. That's ridiculous. So let's just open this thing up, man. I'm excited about these. These have a unique design, in my opinion. They look kind of fluffy. So we're gonna see what they really look like in the hand. Let's open this up. I like the box. Nice presentation, Mifo. I can show this box some respect right here because it's made sturdy. Look at this. All right, I gotta show y'all. That's a presentation. Other companies take note on how to do it. That is a beautiful presentation right there. Man, it looks, this is nice. I don't even want to touch it, but I got to because y'all need to see what's up. All right, so let's pull out this box. Let's see what's in this little box. We have some accessories. We got a micro USB charging cable. Then we got a really nice 3.5 millimeter cable and some instructions. All right, y'all know how I am with the instructions, man. I'm gonna put them back in the box, right? And I'm gonna attempt to do this without having to look at the instructions because I have lost a lot of man points on instructions and stuff. I'll say I don't need them. I'll throw them to the side, and next thing you know, I'm grabbing for them. But let's pick up these headphones, see what they are all about. I'm loving this presentation. Let's put this to the side, be respectful of that. All right, so right off the top, these feel fantastic. They are so soft. They look soft on the package and in the pictures. They just look soft. These are, oh my God, these are comfortable. It's definitely vinyl, but it says at the top of the headband, make it fully optimal. That's their slogan, make it fully optimal. Mifo is on the side right here on both sides, and then you have your left and right ear indicators. And then you have designed by Mifo written here on the side, a little bit of branding there. Actually, everything is identical, like both sides are symmetrical. Everything that's on one side is on the other side until you get to your hardware buttons. So you got your play and pause, which I'm assuming is an on and off too, because I don't see an on and off or power button. Then you got a volume up and track forward. Then you got a volume down and track back. Got your USB charging port. Looks like a mic right there. Are there any other mics for like noise canceling or anything like that? I don't see any other mics. Can you take calls on this? Let's see. Let's see. Yeah, talk time. So yeah, you can use these to talk on the phone. So there's your mic. And then you got your 3.5 right there. And it's kinda, I mean, the way these things are designed. So the ear cups, round ear cups, so they are, it's kind of a hybrid of an on-ear / over-ear because the cushion is gonna touch your ears, but they are big enough to be over-ear in that regard. I'll show you when I put them on. They're gonna cover up your ear and touch your ear, but these are big holes. But I like the design because the cushion, the padding or the leather actually wraps around the back of the ear cup. This is usually plastic back here, but this is actually surrounded with that vinyl / leather. And it's also carried through the headband. And this, I mean, it's a really thick headband, but it's not exactly, well, it is plush. It's plush. And these headphones are so soft. All right, so moment of truth. Let's put these on my head, man. There's not much to look at. I mean, that's the design. I actually like the color scheme too. This lime green, I think it is. Lime green or neon yellow, whichever one you will have. And black, I love it. So let's just pair these up real quick. Go to my Bluetooth settings. Turn it on. Like I said, I think this is probably a power on. This play and pause button is probably multi-function. So let's hold that. Yep, power on. And that was a fast connection. Okay, so very fast connection. Mifo F2. We are connected. Let me see which one is right. This one's right. Okay. Let me get my adjust. Oh. Okay, I just got a notification and it was really loud in my ear. Okay. Okay. I'm trying to find the adjustment little things. Okay, there we go. All right, so Now they do cover up your entire ear, but your ear does not fit in the hole. So they're on over ear. So it's a hybrid, okay? Let me see. They don't seem to cancel out a lot of noise. My collar's rubbing up against here. They don't seem to cancel out a lot of ambient noise, because I can still hear a lot of stuff, but you can tell you got headphones on. But let's see how this music sounds. What was I listening to last? Oh, 5 More Hours, Dero and Chris Brown. Let's try this out first. Turn this all the way up. They're loud. The beat hasn't kicked in yet, but they are loud. I can tell they're gonna have a lot of bass. Hold on, I can. Wow. Oh, man, that's the jam. This right here is my type of party. Woo, woo, woo. God, those are loud. Okay, hold on. Wow, that is hearing impairing loudness. Okay, let me let me go to something else real quick. God, dog. Okay. This is another one of my pop/EDM songs. Hold on. It's called "Don't Be So Hard on Yourself" by Jess Glynne. Very, very clean, clear mids and highs. I can appreciate that. Okay. Oh, let me get one more bass test real quick. Pop My Trunk by Wino. This is some down south stuff right here. Oh, it gives you maximum volume prompts. Pop my trunk. Woo! Okay. Hey, Mifo is doing it, man. Hey, I like these headphones. Yeah, I don't know how they really look on my head. I guess we'll see once I edit the video. But as far as sound quality, man, oh man, these are nice. You know what? These make great headphones, like if you just like, you know, wearing headphones. But I think these will actually be pretty good in the gym, because I was jamming real hard just now. And they weren't really moving. Let me see. No, there's not a lot of movement. There's some. They don't have like a super vice grip type of clamping force, but they seem to be pretty breathable. I don't see any perforation. No, there's no perforation. They seem to be pretty breathable, man, and they're very light. So I could probably recommend these for gym headphones if you're looking for something. But as far as sound quality, man, the highs, these suckers are so loud, like it is hearing impairing loud to me. But it's clean. There's no distortion, even at the top of the volume levels. And the bass, I knew that bass was gonna be really good on that Chris Brown song, because I could hear, you know, the intro of the song, but there was no drops yet. But when that drop hit, there's some solid bass in these headphones. They get a 10 from me as far as sound quality. And that was without EQ. Y'all know I EQ my music now, you know, to what I like to listen to, but that was without EQ, and they sound amazing. So, hey, I can definitely recommend these. Designed by Mifo. This is the F2. Make it fully optimal. I ain't no expert in this kind of stuff, but I am definitely digging these headphones, and they're so dang soft. But before I get out of here, I want to need y'all to tap on that like button and smash on the subscribe button. I'll see y'all at the next one.